Huh?
Close your eyes.
Why?
Because I have something for you.
You want me to close my eyes so you have something for me?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a rocket ship.
Rocket ship? It's a rocket ship?
Yeah.
But I thought it was a surprise.
Okay. Ready, set, go. Surprise!
Huh? Where is the surprise? Where is my rocket ship? That's nothing.
I need to go buy it.
You need to go buy it?
That's for your tea. Here's your tea. Here's your tea, Daddy, and your water.
Okay.
Daddy, that's your tea and your water.
Okay.
Daddy, can I have your my iPad?
Yes, you can have your iPad.
Okay.
So, you got anything for me?
No, I don't.
You don't?
I need to get some more tea. How about this tea? How about this?
No, you know you leave that right there.
I need to put in the more tea.
So you got a surprise for me?
Yeah.
Okay, I show me surprise.
Daddy, I gotta take one.
You just take one?
Yeah, not a lot.
Yeah, not a lot, okay. So where's my surprise? Are you gonna show me your surprise?
It's in the bag.
It's in a bag?
Yeah, we got the flies in the bag.
You got, what do you got in the bag?
A bag.
Oh, a Doha bag for me.
That's the Dora bag for you.
Yeah. Oh, where's my surprise? Do you have anything for me?
So I just put in the bag. So I had to grown up comes back.
Oh.
So I got a leaf. So that grandma pick your fruit 'cause you can eat.
Oh.
That grandma had to pick your fruit.
The grandma has to pick my food so I can eat?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you have to wait.
I have to wait?
Yeah. When that fruit comes up, and you can eat your breakfast.
When the food comes up and I can eat breakfast?
Yeah, first you have to drink your tea
First
and
I
your
have to
water.
First I have to drink my tea and water?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you have to feel better.
So I feel better?
Yeah. When that seeds comes from,
Huh?
when that seeds come from, pick your food.
What?
That seeds pick your food up.
Oh.
So I can reach it. Here's your food, Daddy.
Okay. Thank you.
I need to put in the plate. That's your breakfast.
That's my breakfast?
Yeah, and that's your water.
And that's my water.
Yeah. I can put this right there.
Okay.
So it's hard to that grandma pick your tea.
The grandma picked my tea?
Yeah. So I had to wait.
So I have to wait?
Yeah.
Oh.
Daddy, eat your food. It's cold.
Oh, it's cold, so I have to eat it?
No, it's hot. Let it cool off.
It's hot, I have to let it cool off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So let it cool off.
When let it cool off?
Yeah.
Can I eat it now?
Wait, it's hard to be cool off.
Wait, it has to be cooled off? Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's cooled off now.
Okay, now you can eat it.
Now I can eat it? You want some?
Yeah.
I'll give you